Hello, my name is Stephen Kingsbury. For those of you who do not know me, I have the pleasure of serving as Professor of Music and Director of Choral Activities at SMSU. I also am the conductor of the Chancel Choir at First Lutheran. I wanted to take a couple minutes today to talk to you about the Bandshell at Liberty Park. For nearly 75 years, the Liberty Park Bandshell has been a focal point of musical activities during the summer in the community of Marshall. For many of those years, my family and I have made a concerted effort to get to as many of the municipal band concerts as possible. First led by the wonderful Bob Metford, and now led by our current trio of conductors, John Ginocchio, Wes Meyer, and John Voigt. Scenes of my daughter, when she was younger, running around Liberty Park as part of the Children's March are among my most favorite memories. Unfortunately, the Bandshell, which has served this community so well for so long, is now at the end of its lifespan. I learned recently that my perception that the Bandshell was a concrete structure is actually incorrect. It's made of wood with a concrete facade, and unfortunately, a lot of that wood has rotted, rendering the structure unsafe and nearly unusable. Put simply, it's gotten to the point where the structure cannot be replaced anymore. Although efforts have been made to get us safely through the end of this summer, the Bandshell will not be able to continue past that point. Sadly, we have no choice but to replace it. Several months ago, the City of Marshall began the process of assembling a group of arts and other community leaders to look at the future of what Liberty Park might look like. I am honored to serve on that committee. Our basic purpose is to look at what a replacement Bandshell might look like given the current and future needs of the community. This is where you come in. The City of Marshall wants to find out what the community needs in a new Bandshell. To that end, we've put together a short survey that we're asking members of the community to fill out. It should only take a few minutes of your time, but the feedback that we will receive from you and other members of the community will be invaluable in helping us chart the future direction of this project. Thank you so much. We look forward to hearing from you.